Staff and customers in a Narre Warren chemist this morning narrowly avoided the car's destructive path.
I thought we were having an earthquake or the roof was caving in. But then the car arrived.
We all got a fright, actually, didn't we? We're all shaking. Yeah, because we knew it was close because it sounded really, really close.
The man was pulling into a car bay when he mounted the curb and ploughed through the glass doors. Witnesses say it's unbelievable no one was injured.
We've never had it happen before, so extremely surprising. Very frightening.
He was shaken, shook, yeah. I just feel so bad for them.
The car slammed through everything in its way before coming to a stop. There were at least 11 people in the store at the time.
As he was turning into the parking bay, it would have been travelling approximately 15 kilometres an hour.
The 85-year-old driver told police he simply put his foot on the accelerator instead of the brake. Only 10 seconds before the crash, a customer had walked through the front door.
It's the latest in a long run of accidents with the elderly behind the wheel. Since July, there's been mayhem from Layla to Brighton and North Fitzroy. Witnesses said the couple in today's incident was shaken but okay, driven home after talking to police.
And this is his first accident. Hasn't had an accident since he's had his licence.
She's beautiful, beautiful lady, yeah. So, and her husband, he's just gorgeous.
It's unlikely any charges will be laid, but the man's licence may be reviewed. Michael Bennett, 10 News.